Okay, so everybody, let's see what we have our LM386 DIY project. So the first things, so this is our board. Okay, so this is our board. This is the chip LM386, and this is the volume control. Okay, control the volume, and this is control the gain. Okay, and this is interface. Interface. Here, this is audio signal input. Okay, this is 5-volt power supply input. Okay, and this is audio output. Here we have the two speaker. One is one is 4 ohm and 3 watt. Okay, so this is a little bit bigger speaker. We also have another one. So this is a smaller one. It's here. So is this. Okay. So this one is 8 ohm and 1 watt. Okay. We will see how what's the difference between the two speakers. Okay. And we also have one shell. It made from the paper box. Okay. So we will put the devices into this box and to see the performance. Okay. So here, this is the audio output hole, and this is the two adjuster button here and here. This is two cap. Okay, this is two cap, which will put on these two buttons. Okay. So first, let's connect all the things and play some piano on my computer. Okay, so first I connect our this is power supply. I connect our power supply. Okay. Okay, so second I will connect my audio input is here, connected to my computer. Okay. So we will play some music, piano music from the computer. Okay. Okay, and then we will adjust the volume to take a look at the result. This is changed to smaller. It seems this position change smaller. Okay, no sound, and then change bigger, a little bigger, and a little bigger. Seems this position is good. Is good enough, is okay. And let's change the gain. So this is change the gain. Change a little bigger. It's too bigger and amplify the noise. Also amplify the noise. We change it back. Okay, so now is acceptable. Okay, so this is for the big speaker. So this is the big speaker, and then let's switch to the smaller speaker. Let's switch to this one to see the result. I push the speaker, it will more clear. Seems the sound will be more clear. Okay, I pause the video and I will switch to the smaller speaker to see the result in the same setting, for the same setting. Okay. Okay, so this is ground. And this is the signal. Okay, so this is the smaller speaker is 1 watt, is for 8 ohm. Okay, let's play the music to see the result. The sound is also quite good. The sound is also quite good. It's not bad. We change the volume. Compare the size, and this is not bad. It's also okay. And this speaker is much smaller than this one. This speaker much smaller than this one, is also much cheaper than this one. But the volume, the sound, it seems is okay for me. Okay, so next step, let's try to put into this box and to see what will happen. Okay. Okay, so this is our box. This is our box. Let's try to put it in. Let me open it. So it will look like this. Okay. Okay, so inside it is like this. So the first things, let me put the ball. Let's put the bigger speaker first. So this is a big speaker. This is big one. And we put it here. This is the ground. And this is the signal. Okay, this is signal here. Okay, so we will attach the speaker here. Attach the speaker here. And we need to put the ball inside the box. Goes put here. And we put the speaker here. Okay. And we close it. Okay, so it will looks like this. Okay, it will looks like this. And we also put the 2 button here. And I need to open it again to put the button. Attach here. Okay, another one is this one. Okay, so close it again. Okay, so it will look like this one. Okay, this is our final stage. Okay, is this one. Okay, so let's play the music again to see the result. Music. Switch to the smaller speaker to see the result, to see how good it is. Okay. Okay, so this is the 4. We need to take off these 2 buttons. It's quite tight. Okay, 1. Another one. Okay. So I need to remove these 2 pins. Okay. So I need to remove this speaker. This is a big speaker. And I will attach this smaller speaker here. Okay. So attach here. Make sure it connects well. Okay. So next we put it back. Okay. And next we put the speaker at the position here. Okay. So you will see, compare the original one, so it's quite small, right? It's quite small. And we like to see the performance of it, how good it is. Okay, so we put the cap back. Put the cap back. Okay, and then we close it. Okay, we close it. This is top. This is top. We use the paper box to make this one, okay? To make the shelf. Okay, so now it's again. It's our speaker. Okay, so this is a smaller speaker. Let's see the result inside the box. So let me play the music again to see what will happen. Okay, no song. Let's adjust the volume. This is just the gate. Just the volume. Okay, so this is a result for the smaller speaker, and you hear the sound. I need a big break. I need a bit of break. So hear the sound here right now, and it's quite clear, and it's okay for me. I think it's quite good. Low cost, smaller speaker. If we design some portable devices, definitely the smaller one will be the first choice. If we want the high performance, a little bit high, good voice, good song, so maybe we choose this one. Okay, so this project is fun, and I have extra speaker right now. Okay, so this is for this video. I'm Michael, and see you next time. See you.